Okay, let's go ahead and finish up these last couple here. Get that a little bit bigger. So the second to the last one, it's division. So that tells me to keep, change, flip. So first I had to make this improper. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. And then keep the first fraction, change to multiplication, flip the second fraction. So I don't flip the improper or the mixed number because there's no way to do a reciprocal of a mixed number. First I make improper by going 2 times 1 plus 1 over 2. Then I flip it. So now it's a multiplication problem. So you do all the multiplication stuff we learned in lesson 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we say, oh, wow, wait a minute, both of those are even. So we need to simplify. So that would be 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And last but not least, this one has 2 improper fractions. So remember, that means I need to change them both first, excuse me, into change both mixed numbers into improper fractions first, then I do my keep, change, flip. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So this fraction is 5 over thirds. Then, of course, we still have our division sign for right now. So 3 times 1, 3, plus 2 is 5 over 3, divided by, now do the same thing over here. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, 3 halves. So now we take that new problem with all the now improper fractions and we write keep, change to multiplication, flip the second fraction. So keep the first, change to multiplication, flip the second. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 3 is 9. Nothing common here, nothing common. So that made a fraction with nothing common. So once you change it to multiplication, you can use those tricks. Nothing here, nothing common here, nothing here, nothing here. So you know your fraction's not going to be able to simplify. And then to end our lesson, I just wrote down the steps again for us to remember. This is the common algorithm I said that we learned, when we first learned fraction. So division means keep, change to multiplication, flip. So change all numbers to fractions first. So you saw us do that there. They were mixed numbers. They weren't fractions. So first we changed them to fractions. That's step 1. Step 2 is keep, change to multiplication, flip. And then step 3, the last step is always simplify. So I would write that down again because studies show the more you write down things, the more likely you are to remember it. So write those steps down and we're done with lesson 7. 2 more to go in module 3. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.